If you fancy an authentic Italian carbonara, creamy and mouth-watering, just follow these steps. You need guanciale, 3 eggs, pecorino cheese and spaghetti large size. First we remove the skin. I recommend you to don't use the regular bacon as the flavor is different. This piece of the pork is from the cheek, not from the belly. Cut the guanciale into slices and then into vertical stripes. Grate medium-aged pecorino cheese. This cheese has a lot of moisture and makes the pasta creamy. Grating it fresh makes the difference. Let's put the pasta water to boil. Brown the guanciale in a pan without any seasoning. Then we work on the sauce by separating the yolks from the whites and chucking the yolks into the cheese bowl. The trick to make carbonara super creamy is to beat the egg whites separately until they become nice and firm. We salt the water and cook the pasta. We add the freshly ground black pepper to the mixture. We check that guanciale has released its fat well but not too crispy. Then we add the guanciale fat and some stripes to the egg mixture and mix well. Finally, we incorporate the egg whites. Drain the pasta and pour it into the pan with the guanciale. Add the egg mixture and mix quickly. Carbonara is best served hot, so I'm not wasting any time and eating it right away. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos like this. Bye!